Welcome to the InfiniStats walkthrough video on exporting raw data. Today we're focusing on the form-based data rather than the bulk upload data. So I'm in the Human Capital Metrics survey. Once you click into the survey, you will be presented with a page with these options, and we are looking at the export raw data option here. You will be given the option of what period you want to report on. We're going to stick with the most recent set of data in InfiniStats at the moment, which is up to the 31st of March 2020. And you can export it in two different formats, an Excel format or a CSV format. Most people are probably going to use the Excel format because it enables easier manipulation of data once you've exported it. It is very simple. You simply click on the export data. You wait a while. And once it has generated, you simply open the file up. Once you click to open, it will open a very large spreadsheet, and it will have all the data that has been inputted in for that particular survey. So you will have the organisation area here. So London councils, South East employers, West Midlands employers. It will then have the name of the council and then all the data and all the metrics that are included in that survey in one big spreadsheet. So if you are a particular data fiend, you can export all the data and manipulate it however you want. So if the system doesn't produce the exact graphics that you want, you are able to then export all that data and create your own graphics for your own purposes.